morning, everyone. Welcome to the SQL tutorial. So let's continue uh, with our SQL tutorial. So today we are going to see about the text functions. So in the last video, we have discussed about the use of alter command. So if you haven't watched the video, link is in the description. So please have a look on that. So let's talk about the text functions. So there are these many functions, text functions we have. So let's see one by one. So this is our employee table. So let's start from employee. Okay. So we have ID, first name, last name, salary, city. These are the columns. Okay. So what if I want to uh, convert the first name to uppercase? So what will I use? I want, let's say, ID and then uppercase. I'll use upper, and then inside that I will mention the column. I want to convert the first name in uppercase. So as you can see here, the all the employee names are converted to uppercase. Okay, simply simple. Again, for the lower, if you want to convert into lower, simply you have to mention lower function followed by mention the column name. So again, as you can see, all the employee names are in lowercase. What if you want to concatenate? So earlier we were doing through alternate way, was like, select ID and then we are going to mention the first name plus, okay, last name. Okay, for spacing we mention like this. Okay, so in this way also we can do, but we have function and build function. Simply we can use concat and mention the column names which you want to concatenate. So I want to concatenate first name and last name. So again, here I need space between the two strings. So it's simple. As you can see here, little bit simply using concat function, we have done the concatenation. Now moving forward, the use of the left function, right function. So again, select start from employee. Okay, it's already present. So this is my employee table. So I want employee's first name. I want employee details. All in that also specifically first three characters of the first name. Okay. Let me write here. Fetch first three characters of first name. Okay. So we can do that using the left function. Left, again mention the column name for I want of which column I want the column name first name. So here, as mentioned here, number of characters. So we are using the left function. So from the left side, first three characters. That is, let's talk about this employee name Madan. So first three characters from left side is MAT. Okay, so I will mention I want to fetch these. Similarly for John, JOH. So like this. So as you can see here, this function, it it just showing us the first three character, okay, of the employee. Similarly, you want to show the last three characters. Simply what you have to do, or last two characters, like let's say, just a minute, what if I want to show the last three characters, okay, of the first name. Okay, so I will mention here write function. I'll use the write function, write first name, and again I want to mention number of characters. So as you can see here, it's showing the last three characters of the first name. So now, what about the middle characters? The characters which are present in middle, because these are applicable to the from the left side character, from the left side and right side. But what about the middle characters? So for that we have the substring function. So it takes basically three arguments. So again, column name, let's say first name, uh, first, first name, comma, start and end. So let's say, let's consider select start. Let me just a minute. This is okay. So now what I have to do is I want to show the middle characters. So let's consider from start point, let's say 2 to 5. Let's say, okay, from M. So, okay, let me show this also. So let's understand what this function did. So this is normal table, employee table, Madan Raj. So what I want to show, I want to show the first name in that also from the second character to five character, including the first name employee details. So as you can see, second character is A, followed till five characters. So as you can see, this particular query is doing. So in this way, we can use the text functions. So in the next video, we're going to discuss about the number functions. So if you have any doubts, please mention in the comment section. Have a nice day. Thank you.